Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the store on the Hayday application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my farm. I have different buildings, but if you want to add another, you can add to your farm. So firstly, if you want to check the store, click to the, don't know how to say that, just go to the lower left corner of the screen, and here in the store you can find animals, animal homes, production buildings, trees and bushes, and flowers. And you can buy it. For example, if you want a bike, click that and you can add to your farm. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.